So, as we've looked at in the first bit of this talk, when we have intrusive recollections, they're not words, they're sensory-based, they're images. And so what if, unlike talking therapies or the way we've been doing other methods in mental health, we go straight for the image rather than what people are saying, the words. I'm not going to be suggesting that we zap everyone's brains after trauma exposure. This is proof of concept that something as simple as targeting visual cortex can make a difference to whether that person goes on to have persistent intrusive memories. But what our data shows is that if you have some the first day or so after trauma, they can persist for weeks. If you're working those weeks, they'll be disruptive. But if you still got them about a month or so later, they can persist for months. And if you've got them at 6 months, they can persist for decades. So you might want to get rid of them. Well, the wonderful thing about the brain is there's always all sorts of ways to access it. And one thing you can do is actually give people tasks. So we could use visual processing. It's useful for packing the car. It's useful for doing surgery. It's an essential part of everyday life. But it's something that if I put somebody in the scanner again and make them do lots of mental rotation, what we're doing is using very similar areas of the brain that we use when we have a flashback. Think about intrusive memories as visual spatial information.